fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with the official rules for my DP for Veterans event that will be starting on November 1st, as well as unboxing what will be my at least first kit. I don't know if I'll get to more than one, but I hope so. So I wanted to unbox this one, and then I will also be linking down below the official rules. The entry form has already been opened, so if you've already filled it out, don't worry about it. But if you haven't and you would like to join the event, then you can find that down below along with all of the official rules. Let me get everything out of the box. We'll look at what's in the kit that I'm going to be doing, and then I'll talk a little bit about the event. Don't go anywhere. All right, guys, so here's what came in it. The instructions, I don't need those. We've got our toolkit, we've got our stickers, and we've got our drills. As you can see, this is a round kit. We'll look at all of those in a minute. Let's look and see what came in our toolkit. All right, we've got their branded bag. We've got their branded little tray. It does have the little pour spout there, so if you want to use it for that, it's like a little glittery gold tray. We've got some very sharp, pokey branded tweezers. We've got two diamond painting pens. We have a regular diamond painting pen, and then this one is meant for ABs. We get two purple scrunchies. We get the divider so that you can divide your tray into multiple colors if you want. We get a bag of baggies. We get our multi-placer tips, a 3, a 6, and a straightener. And then we get two of their branded purple wax. So that's what comes in the toolkit. So let's look at the stickers. This is the American Christmas Gnome by Makiko. This is the same artist that did the Halloween gnome that I just finished. We have 60 colors, which is actually quite a lot. There are 9 ABs in this, and it's actually quite a bit larger than I thought. I thought this was around a 40 by 50. It's a 60 by 80. So quite a bit larger, but we do get the pre-cut stickers, so that's nice. And I'm sure in addition to all the ABs that are in it, I'm probably going to want to add in some fairy dust or whatever. So after I've finished other projects, whatever I have left over, I'll go back through and see what I have that I can add in for additional ABs. Pretty sure I've got some 414 or 415. I probably won't substitute any black, but some of these other ones, 742, I know I've got an AB for. I think 904, 905, one of those I've got. So yeah, several that I can go through and look at. And this is just this cute little patriotic American Christmas gnome. So Christmas and veterans all at the same time, that works for me. So let me grab the canvas and we'll look at it. This is going to be too large for me to get everything on screen, so I will take B-roll as always so you guys can see what it is. Now, this is a lot larger than I thought it was going to be. However, it does look like there's going to be some nice multi-placing. There's some lines behind him, kind of in the snowy background. There is multi-placing in his hat, not as much as I would like, because there is some confetti mixed in there too. And then we've got the candy cane here. We've got a little bird on his hand. And then past the cute little gnome, we've got presents in his bag here. We've got a little foot. There's a little lantern, and then all the poinsettia flowers here at the bottom. Super cute, way bigger than I thought, but that's okay. So we do have a schematic on both sides, and it says it's 60 by 80. So let's measure and see. So if I measure from the edge to the edge of the painting, and remember Dreamer Designs is one of those places that there's like an extra row of the image where no symbols are. So I'm getting a little over 59.5, not quite 60, measuring from that edge. If I just measure the drill field, I'm getting a skosh over 59. All right, let's measure the other way. If I measure from the outside edges, I'm getting a little under 79. If I measure the actual drill field, I'm getting 78.5. So pretty close. It is a Dreamer design, so I'm not worried about the symbols being nice and clear or any of that. This is a round kit. Absolutely love their round drills. So let me get the drills out and we'll look at those. So for our first sleeve, we've got like an off-white, and then we have 4 bags of white, which makes sense with all of the stars and the stripes and the snow. Then we've got like a pale yellow, a butterscotch, like a caramel, a milk chocolate, and a dark gray. Then we've got like a dark peach, a pink, kind of an olive green, a very pale sage green, a pale yellow, a peach, a burnt orange, a very, very dark blue, and a dark green. Then we've got a couple shades of blue, a very bright blue, a lighter blue. We've got a dark, almost very brick red, slightly lighter brick red. We've got a kind of pinky peach, kind of a khaki color, a slightly lighter khaki, a tan, a dark green, and then a green. Then we've got kind of a golden yellow, a bright orange, kind of a pale green, a yellow, a very pale tan, another kind of brick red, a butterscotch, kind of a light brown, slightly lighter brown, and a dark brown. We've got 3 packages of light gray, I think for his beard and maybe the background, a dark gray, a kind of milk chocolate color, kind of a reddish milk chocolate, a red, another gray, a dark gray, and this is all the black that's in this kit. Then we've got like a very pale straw yellow, a peach, a dark peach, and 5 bags of like a dove gray, again, beard and background, I'm assuming. Then we've got a very, very pale green and a dark butterscotch. And our last sleeve here is all of the ABs. So we've got a yellow AB, and that goes in the light of the lantern. We've got a light green AB that goes in the poinsettias. We've got a red AB also in the poinsettias, and obviously some in the candy cane, his hat, his clothes, all of that. We've got an orange that goes also in the lantern light. We've got a very, very dark blue, which is going to go in his hat, his mittens, and elsewhere. We've got a dark pink AB, and that is going to go down in the flowers, as well as this other green AB, which is slightly darker. Then we've got a baby pink AB, which goes in at the bottom, as well as this kind of coral red AB, which also goes at various places on the candy cane, his hat, his clothing, etc. So tons of ABs already. This whole sleeve is nothing but ABs, but I still think I'm going to add some extra ones in just to make him even more snowy and sparkly. There's no white ABs, so that would be a good place to put some in to sprinkle it not only in the background, but also in his hat. And I should have plenty of white ABs, so I'll have to go dig all of those out. So there is the kit. Now let's talk a little bit about the event. So DP for Veterans, and again, I'll link all the official rules below, runs from November 1st through November 30th. You need to subscribe to the channel. There will be a link in the description box below for the entry form. There will be an entry and exit form. The exit form will open around the 15th of November. The event runs through midnight on the 30th. There will be a final prize drawing that is open to everyone, including international. Your kit needs to be a new start, at least 30 by 30. Follow the Veterans/Remembrance Day/patriotic theme. And remember, you do have to have a finish. The exit form asks you to submit a final photo because I use those in the video montage to show what everybody finished. So make sure it's a kit that you can finish within those 30 days. I myself am going to have to kind of scramble a little bit to get this done because this is quite a bit bigger than I thought. I thought I was going to be working on a gnome that was about the same size as the Halloween gnome. This one is quite a bit bigger. So yeah, don't bite off more than you can chew. The final prize package will be awarded by random drawing. I will announce that at the end of the montage video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss those videos, so that you don't miss if you happen to be the winner. The winner of the final prize package will be asked to email me at diamondpaintinganonymous@gmail.com so that I can get your address, mailing information to mail you your prize. A couple of questions that I get all the time: are partials okay? Yes, they are. Does it have to be licensed? That is encouraged but not required. You can have multiple entries, but you only get one entry in the final prize drawing, no matter how many kits you complete. So keep that in mind. Again, you have to fill out the entry and exit form. There is no start pick required, but joining the Facebook group is encouraged because then you can post progress pics there. I will be posting my progress pics there as well. And of course, as always, if you can make your kit do double duty for my event and somebody else's, go for it. That's awesome. I know things get really busy and hectic around November because we're done with Halloween, but Thanksgiving and Christmas are coming up and everybody gets super stressed. This is not a super stressful event. This is just for fun. So try to remember that. Okay, I think that's everything I needed to tell you guys. I opened the kit, showed you what I'm going to be doing, and we went over the rules. If you have any questions, the official rules will be in the description below. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.